Tired of your videos not fitting right on Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts? That's because those platforms are all about vertical videos, and uploading horizontal clips just doesn't hit the same. If you're still shooting everything widescreen, you're leaving views and engagement on the table. Before we go further, hit the like button and subscribe for more social video tips just like this. Here's how to do it right. Step 1. Record vertical from the start. If you're using your phone, turn it vertically before hitting record. Most platforms are built for 9:16 aspect ratio, that's 1080 by 1920 pixels. Using a camera, you can either mount it vertically or crop the footage later. Step 2. Edit for vertical. If you're editing on a phone, apps like CapCut, InShot, or VN Editor let you set your canvas to vertical instantly. On desktop, use tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Set the sequence to 9:16. Canva Video Editor, yes, Canva now supports video editing too. Or even DaVinci Resolve. Create a custom timeline with 1080 by 1920 resolution. You can add text, transitions, and export in full vertical HD. Step 3. Export with the right settings. Make sure your export resolution is 1080 x 1920 in MP4 format with H.264 codec. That way your content uploads cleanly to Reels, Shorts, or TikTok without black bars. If this helped you shoot better vertical content, give the video a like and hit subscribe. More creator tools and tricks are coming soon. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.